Say, Big Bird, I can't wait to hear your fairy tale. I bet it's something maviosa. Ha ha! Yeah, it's gonna be magical. Oh, Rocco can't wait to hear it.
That's 3 more people who want to hear Big Bird's fairy tale. So what's the fairy tale you wrote, Big Bird? I'd love to hear it. Me too. Oh, yeah.
Mama Pot said something wonderful.
Ah, yes, and counting me. That's 6 more people who want to hear Big Bird's fairy tale. Oh, oh, oh.
So, what's your story called, Big Bird?
Hey, could you guys keep it down out here? How's the crowd supposed to get any sleep with all this happy-go-lucky chattering going on?
Well, Big Bird's about to tell us his fairy tale.
A fairy tale? You mean the ones with the charming princesses and equally as charming princes? And those beautiful castles? Yeah! And the knights wearing trash can metal armor, fire-breathing dragons, and happily ever after?
Yeah! Do you want to hear it?
Nuh-uh, not me. I can't stand those stories. I can't stand it so much that Gosh, I hate fairy tales. Yes, right, I said it. I hate fairy tales. I just don't get it. How a yucky genre from a yucky generation is suddenly the brightest thing to all the celebration. Gosh, I hate fairy tales. The stories are wordy, but oh no. The great fairy tales, that little trash. They have no sense about the audience. It makes me feel so dumb. The writers don't care that my trash is way more fun.
How can you say that? How can you say that?
It's easy. I say it because it's absolutely true.
They're full of genius. Fairy tale genius.
It's geniuses, they're all fooling you. But it's brilliant. What majesty flows from their pens. Their poetry soars like a sweet violin. Our own inspiration, like lightning shouldn't strike them. And they capture my soul. Oh, really? You sound just like them. Really? I never knew that. Thanks, Oscar. You should hate fairy tales. Well, I don't. I tried to emulate fairy tales. Well, there's your problem. You're so blinded by the genre. Such a pompous little scam. Why is it a problem to admit that I can't stand it? And that's another thing I hate about fairy tales. Is all the twits who obliviate about fairy tales. And how they prattle on about their great accomplishments. Well, la-di-da-di-da. And once they start their gushing, there's no... And then it's blah, 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 fairy tales. And they walk in, it's da-da-da-da-da-da, fairy tales. Birds holding court, and they say, Grim, you're such a genius, and their writing is so new. Anyone can make a deal about a certain black shoe. And they're all, ooh, and he's all, and they're all, yay, and I'm all, and I'm really getting sick of it. And oh, I hate fairy tales.
I hate fairy tales.
Oh, how I hate fairy tales. Oh, how yucky and happy they are. Oh, I can't stand it. I just can't stand it. Let me make a shorter list so I can give it to you straight. Every little thing about fairy tales is what I hate. Fairy tales. Now scram.